What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite IE SoCal realtor, Ray Gonzalez, and today I'm coming to you live from my office, not from a new construction site, because today we're not doing a home tour, but a city tour. Today we're going to be driving around taking a look at the city of Rancho Cucamonga. I decided to do a video tour of a city this time rather than a new construction community, because a lot of times whenever you buy a house, you don't just buy the house, you don't just buy the neighborhood, you buy the city that the house is in. So I figured, let's show the city. Now, I was born and raised in Rancho. My office is in Rancho right here off Foothill and Haven, the office that we're sitting in right now. And there's a lot of great things that Rancho has to offer, whether it be school districts, city parks, and dining and shopping opportunities that I think this video will do a good job of showcasing if you're looking to buy in Rancho. If you're looking to buy somewhere in the IE and you just don't know exactly where yet, head to the channel. We got a good library of videos of new construction homes and other real estate tours that might help you sway your decision. Or who knows, maybe I start a different series on the channel of these city tours, and that helps make your decision a little easier. But that's enough yapping for now. Let's go take a look at the city. So right now we're driving on down Foothill. And Foothill is kind of the main highway of really the country, right? Route 66. And it's the main artery of Rancho. I would say Rancho, Arrow, and Baseline are the main streets here in the city. And yeah, if you live here or anywhere in the IE, you know those streets. So right here on Spruce and Baseline, right next to Central Park, we're gonna have the dog park. This is a relatively new dog park, so let's go check it out. So you guys, this dog park is probably built, I would say, less than 3 years ago here in Rancho Cucamonga. This giant field, this is known as Central Park. There's a lot of plans for Central Park, and this is one of the latest updates. You're gonna see we have some people with their dogs, so I'm not gonna necessarily just point the camera at them. We have some individuals over there, but you know, cool spot for the dogs to come and hang out, run around, be animals. Some of them are locked. I'm not exactly sure why they're locked. Maybe just to clean up. Oh, that's new grass over there. So yeah, they've taken care of some stuff. So you're gonna see that they have a green belt, shaded area, and then places to run around in the sand, as well as over there as well. So kind of cool spot. Do you have a dog? Come bring your dog and let them run around and maybe meet other dogs. You got some dogs over there hanging out, having a good time, sniffing each other. That's what dogs do. Yeah, good opportunity here. Just adds to the overall beauty of Rancho. The dog park is a cool spot. We are now gonna go eastward. So down that major street over there is Milliken. So we're gonna go take a look at the main hub of Central Park, and that is a community center building over there. So let's go now. All right, so we've made it across from the dog park. The dog park's over there. And now we're here at the community center that is known as Central Park. Now this was here, I don't know the exact year, I'll probably look that up. But this was here when I was a kid. So I grew up literally less than a mile from here. And they put all this stuff in probably the early 2000s. And cool little playground there. Absolutely come bring your kid. But the cool part about it is that this is just all green, open green belt. So like here is where if you have a little one that plays in the City League soccer, their soccer games go down here. They've had a couple other events and fundraisers here. Someone left their puzzle pieces everywhere. City of Rancho Cucamonga will clean that up. You're gonna see over there off in the distance that there's a little picnic table spot, so that's cool. Right here, I remember coming to this when I was a kid. When they had this memorial put in for the service members in the military force. And so this is a pretty cool spot here. Got all the flags of our armed forces. And both my grandfathers served during the Korean War era, 1950 to 1952. I really love that Rancho Cucamonga has, you know, this memorial here for our men and women in uniform, you know, to have a little spot, you know, for them here where it's outwardly expressed is pretty cool. So this is the main entrance to the building here in the front. So this building is used for a lot. It's used for all kinds of events, gatherings. You can rent out some of the rooms here. We actually had my daughter's first birthday here. We'll be closed for general maintenance. Okay, that's good to know. All right, they're closed right now for general maintenance. But really cool building. It wraps around all the way to the front. And if you went to any of the high schools here locally, whether that be Etiwanda, Altaloma, Rancho Cucamonga High School, or Los Osos, it's very likely that you took homecoming or prom photos here. This is Haven and Arrow. You're gonna see this giant monstrosity of a building, and this is gonna be all for lease. So that's a lot of homes. They're pouring a lot of money into Rancho, so that's a good sign. All right, our next stop is Haven City Market. So if you're from Rancho or really anywhere in the IE nearby, the likelihood of you stopping at Haven City just to check it out is really high. So let's check out what they got in store here. So Haven City is a little bit of a mix of all different kinds of eateries. And this is also too relatively new, probably within the last 10 years or so. It's right here off Haven and Arrow. It makes it pretty centrally located, and they have a lot of trendy little spots to eat. If you've never been here before, come check it out. Or if you're looking to move to Rancho Cucamonga, step 1, call me. Step 2, come have lunch and come have your closing meal here. First meal in Rancho, Haven City. Let's go. But yeah, you're gonna see that it's pretty empty right now, but it is a Friday. And so I reckon it won't be too long before this place starts filling up. Cool place to get a bite to eat, Haven City Market. And yeah, definitely a spot worth checking out if you're moving to Rancho Cucamonga or Upland or Fontana, anywhere near Rancho. All roads in the Inland Empire lead to only one spot, and that's Victoria Gardens. Now, it's probably a low IQ move that I do this video at 4:30 on a Friday, because it seems like everyone is gonna be here in the next couple minutes, but oh well, mistakes were made. One thing I wanna show here is this giant apartment complex that is going on right here off Day Creek, right in the heart of Victoria Gardens. And this is a big, big building. So remember I told you before that they're pouring a lot of money into the city, which is great. This is a perfect example of that. So Victoria Gardens, an open air shopping mall with all your trendy restaurants and places to shop. Across the street there, where you have the marquee of Victoria Gardens, is a food court. And there you're gonna have all the fried foods in the world that you can think of. Panda Express as well. Obviously, what's a mall food court without Panda Express? So the center hub of Victoria Gardens is popping, right? So you're gonna have Yard House on one corner, you're gonna have California Pizza Kitchen on the other corner, and then a whole bunch of cool stuff that goes down here in the middle, the little greenbelt area. Just a whole lot of activity going down here in pretty much downtown Rancho. You can call this downtown Rancho. Now, Victoria Gardens is a lot more than just a place to shop and eat. In here, they actually just redid this whole little concourse area. Gosh, I don't know, probably like last summer. And here you're gonna have a playhouse, the Lewis Family Playhouse. So that's pretty much a spot where they have concerts, plays, things like that. And then this is the Cucamonga Public Library. And this place is honestly like a city. We got the stage right there. That stage is new as well, part of the renovations here. I don't know what they have there, but it's all new. And a lot of cool stuff going down here. And this mall was just purchased a few months ago for $500 million, you guys. So a lot of money poured here. We've pretty much walked across the mall. The mall is like 2 blocks, realistically. But right here, Paul Martin's. Spend many a lunches here, good spot here. Adjacent to that is Lucille's. This is a barbecue house and a good barbecue joint here. If you're from Rancho, you for sure had dinner there before. And then if you're from Rancho or anywhere near the IE, you've definitely come here to watch a movie. And yeah, AMC right here, Victoria Gardens. And I saw Endgame in this building. And then while it's not technically part of Victoria Gardens, you'll see over there, that building right there is Bass Pro Shop. And Bass Pro Shop Outdoor World was actually the exterior facade used for a TV show, a sitcom starring Tim Allen. So kind of cool that that was here in Rancho. But yeah, you can tell here just by walking through, it's a calm Friday afternoon, early evening. It'll start to get a little more busier as the hours progress into the evening. But you can tell everything's well, nice and manicured. You don't got trash laying around everywhere. And the city of Rancho does a good job of keeping up with this place. Of course, every mall is gonna have Abercrombie and Fitch. Every mall also has to have a Vans store. Travis Barker in the window. Little fact for you, Travis Barker is from the IE. So if you like Blink-182, you might be interested to know that. And then of course, every mall is important to have a Macy's, although this Macy's in particular has a fat bird's nest. I don't know if you can see that. My camera's going crazy right now. That was a giant bird's nest. I bet you guys didn't know that I sold that nest to that bird. Joking, of course, but if you're looking for a new nest in the form of a house, give me a call. We're now rolling on down South Main Street. So the other street before was North Main Street. This is South Main Street, as I just said 3 times. But more stores here. Down the way is gonna be the Apple store. And then right here is gonna be another Macy's. And they got 2 giant department stores for Macy's. As you're gonna see, the other one was for women. This one's for men's, children, and home. So pretty cool that the mall was able to do that. Right now, the Apple store is temporarily closed. They also got the Nike store right here on the corner. And then they got Lululemon right here. So you guys have all the athletic apparel retailers that you need right here on this corner. Across the street, they got JCPenney, which is another department store, as you know. Right here, this building is H&M. And then you got some cool little places to eat right here. You got 7 grams, and then you got a new ramen spot. And then also right here, you got Brio, which is an Italian restaurant. So pretty cool. And that's a tour of Victoria Gardens here in Rancho Cucamonga. This is a pretty cool spot. We're really fortunate to have a spot like this, an open air mall like this in our city. And if you're looking to move here, you'll get to enjoy it too. We're here now at Quakes Stadium, and they have a little bit of an athletic park here in the city of Rancho, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little tour of that as well. So the stadium is right there. They also have some softball fields right here as well, so it's a pretty cool like little park. But right here they have some soccer fields. So they have a little building here, and they have a little cafe here. You can come hang out. Obviously bathrooms, vending machines. Outside they have all of these little soccer fields, and I think they have like 8. Essentially it's just a bunch of these little things. So it's pretty cool to come if you have a team or if you're part of a league. It's a cool spot to come play some soccer, and it's centrally located right in the city of Rancho. Right there is just where we were with the little soccer fields, and then right across the street they have a really nice little walkway here. You got softball fields right here. There's 3 softball fields. So you got 1, 2, and then the third one over there. But this is Quakes Stadium, you guys. Morongo Field. It used to be called Lone Mart Field, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Comment down below if you remember the name. I'm pretty sure it was Lone Mart Field. When I was a kid, it was the minor league affiliate of the Angels. And then for a brief moment, it was the Dodgers. And now it's the Angels again, as you can tell by the red. We're gonna try to see if we can get in to take a look at the field. The team is practicing right now, they told me. So we'll see if we can get in. Rancho Cucamonga Stadium. Little cool spot here. 1993 it says. All right guys, we got granted access. So let's go check it out. So you're gonna see right when you walk in, you got the concourse area, right? So this is where on game day, you can get some of your gear here. And then they got concessions everywhere. If you haven't been here before, it's a fun family atmosphere. It is single A, but still great baseball. So yeah, Quake Stadium, pretty cool spot. If you're from Rancho, you're probably familiar with Aftershock and Tremor, the mascots here. But it's pretty cool to live in a city that has minor league baseball. Pretty affordable to come in, take in a ball game. And some of the big leaguers that are, injured, coming back from injury and playing a rehab assignment, they'll pitch here sometimes. Like when it was under the Dodgers organization and Clayton Kershaw was hurt. Clayton Kershaw came and pitched here a few times before he got ramped back up into the majors. Thank you guys so much for tagging along and watching this video tour of the city of Rancho Cucamonga. I'm holding the mic because it smells like Teen Spirit's playing in the background, and I don't know if you can hear my voice, so I'm holding up the mic closer to my mouth. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking to make Rancho Cucamonga your home as well, or it's on your short list of houses to come see, these are great neighborhoods, great school districts, obviously lots to do. And yeah, if there's anything I can do to help you and your family make the transition smooth, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and then give me a call. My number is going to be on the screen here, or you can scan the QR code to get a hold of me that way as well. And it'll have links to all my social media and things like that. But yeah, if there's anything I could ever do for you and your family, give me a holler. Also, it's Mother's Day weekend, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. You guys are absolute heroes. And to my mom and to my grandmas, my mother-in-law, my grandmothers-in-law, happy Mother's Day. But as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe for future videos. Let me know what you guys think of this city tour. We'll be back on the home tours next week, and we'll see you guys then. Thank you so much.